So course objectives today, we are going to talk about federal regulations for the sponsor investigator, and we're also going to look at steps involved in initiating this type of trial and look at the regulatory reporting requirements for the sponsor investigator and what is the responsibilities or what should be found in the essential documentation, the trial master files, for example. And we'll talk also throughout the presentation about minimizing risk associated with these types of trials and really avoiding either by the industry sponsor and or the sponsor investigator some common pitfalls. And we do see common warning letters. It's very common to find warning letters from this type of trial. And we'll talk about why and what are the most common findings we'll also mention. And so we also have some feedback from the agency about this type of trial. These kinds of trials have grown in numbers tremendously in the last few years. Originally it was the most common type of trial we did until we became much more multi-center driven, and the industry really started to shift. Now, without a lot of blockbusters out there, we have seen this promoting this type of trial to happen more and more, trying to get the think leaders to develop either more ideas about a product that's out there already or come up with some new ideas, where then maybe the sponsor would help and take over or buy the product, whatever it is, and then continue the development. And we'll talk about when we do that, what we need to be sure that we are doing and looking at the data, et cetera. So we'll go into a lot of that type of conversation also.